Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I'm back in the kitchen just whipping up some stuff on hand that I have already. So we're going to go ahead and get started because I'm just making something simple out of these Werther's Original soft caramels. I had some of these that I got from the Dollar Tree the other day. And then I thought, okay, I have some chocolate and some pecans. So you all know I love turtle pecan clusters. So I've made homemade ones before, but this one is a very quick version right here. Just something simple and good that you can make in a few minutes. And if you have chocolate chips on hand, some of these caramels, and these are only $1 at the Dollar Tree. These are the Kroger's Jumbo Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. You can use milk chocolate chips, but I had semi-sweet on hand. I like those. And some pecan halves. And even if you have peanuts or almonds or whatever. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put some of these jumbo chocolate chip cookies, chocolate chip, semi-sweet chocolate chip in this ramekin. I actually think that's a little bit too much. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to put just not even 1/4 of a teaspoon of shortening in here. You don't have to use shortening, but shortening just gives it a gloss and makes it a little bit more smooth. And so I'm going to go ahead and put that in and put it in the microwave to melt. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of this in here, like that, just a dab. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 25 seconds. And then stir it up and see if it needs to melt anymore. You don't want to melt them all the way. You want to leave just a few little lumps and go ahead and then stir those lumps. They'll melt as you stir. This is at 28 seconds, so I'm going to let it go for another 20 seconds and take it out and stir. This is what it's looking like right now. Still lumpy. Some of it's melted, some of them almost still whole. So what you want to do is go ahead and stir. You can just keep stirring. It will melt. And see how silky smooth it is. That is so pretty. So you just want to stir, stir, stir till all the lumps are out. Almost there. You could have microwaved it a few more seconds, but I don't want it real hot so that I can't work with it soon. So, glossy and pretty. That's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the packaging. And they're really soft, moldable, actually. So you just want to take them out like this. Just kind of push the ends in. And keep going, as many as you want, as many as your chocolate will allow. So I just have some wax paper on top of my little cutting board here. You can use whatever you'd like to use, wax paper or parchment paper. And this cutting board was just handy because I'm just going to stick them in the refrigerator to harden right after I dip them. So what we are going to do is, and this is kind of sticky because it's so gooey, which is good. Nice soft caramel. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it on like this just to coat the sides and the bottom. And this one I'm going to just dunk all the way. You can do either way you'd like. Just coat the bottom and sides. When you put the whole thing in there, it just gets so much chocolate on it, which is okay. Just depends on how much chocolate you like. And you're just going to let it slide off. Roll it a little bit. Get it coated. And put it down on the wax paper. Kind of tap it, let some of chocolate runoff. And I think it's about 10 Werthers in each packet. I just have 5 because I ate 5 already. So I am going to make just some chocolate covered pecans after I get done with this. So that's what that extra chocolate will be for. If you want to make these, you know, before you go to the store to buy your Werther's Originals, you can get like 2 or 3 packs of them, and that way you can have more, of course. All right, so I have some chopped pecans here, and what I'm going to do is just place them right on top. You can arrange them on or let them fall on, however you want to do it. And I might have to cover this piece of caramel back there in the back. Let's see if this will let me stick. Nope. I'm going to go ahead and put some chocolate on there for glue. And you can just kind of put them to the side if you want, because then that way you'll make like a pecan cluster, like a turtle. You can make a turtle foot if you like. I should have spread these out a little further, but it's okay. It will come out just fine. All right, so with this, you are just going to let the chocolate drench over it. Let it run over it like that. And it will cover it completely if you want it to. Next time I will use a spoon so the chocolate won't seep through while I'm coating. And just cover each one. And there we go, they're all covered. So, and this one right here, this little itty bitty one, those are just pecans and chocolate clumped together. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator for just a few minutes, and then I will get them out after they harden. Here they are, you guys. They turned out really good. I hope you can see them. Really, really good. So let's hope that they taste really, really good. Look at that. Look, they are good. They are good. Like I said, you can use semi-sweet chocolate chips or milk chocolate. These are semi-sweet. And it's just sweet enough. I don't think I need milk chocolate. These are good. But you can use milk chocolate, just make it a little bit more sweeter. So if you have some caramels at home, and these are the soft caramels, it's best to get the softest that you can. So those are Werther's soft caramels and some milk chocolate chips, or semi-sweet chocolate chips, and pecans or some kind of nuts. You're good to go. So yeah, you want something sweet, just look in your cabinet. You should have just about all that there. Y'all enjoy. I hope you like this video. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.